Many of us take vision for granted. When we're young, we don't notice any flaws. But as we age, that vision starts to change, and that is perfectly normal. So, up next, this lovely patient, ladies in particular, can relate as makeup becomes a struggle with poor vision.
Hi, I'm Robin from Ohio. Came out to San Diego to visit Dr. Motwani last September. I had RK surgery performed about 30 years ago, and my vision faded from my distance went away and my readers. I was wearing 2 pair of glasses, constantly shuffling from the distance to the readers. I tried many multifocal contacts, even as far as scleral lenses, which are very hard to fit and put in your eye, and they're very expensive. And I tried that for several months, trying to get them to work, but due to the cornea irregularity from the RK surgery, nothing worked for my eyes. And they said nothing could be done but a cornea transplant. And I did a lot of internet research, come down to 2 doctors in the United States, and Dr. Motwani definitely, I felt, was the most credible and reputable, and the testimonials I had read. So I came into San Diego to visit him, not really expecting for sure if it's something I wanted to do, but he did the surgery on me, and a few months later I had the correction. I must say that the initial surgery just to repair all the irregularities was rough. Not rough for the surgery, but rough for the waiting for the time to heal so I could get fixed. And I was so amazed after the 4-month waiting period how I could see immediately. I was happy. I could pluck my eyebrows without glasses, put on makeup for the first time and actually see where my eyeliner was going. And I think the staff and the location and Dr. Motwani himself are very, very impressive. First of all, you feel so comfortable here. I came back again. This has been 8 months since my repair, just to see could I be tweaked a little more for readers, because I'm wearing a light reader now and then. And he said, you can, but if you're happy where you are, and I am, and my lenses have healed perfectly, I don't even have eye drops or anything to put in, I would do this again in a million years. And the cost does not matter when you're talking about your eyes. I've spent thousands of dollars on contacts, glasses, going to doctors every year to try and see is there something new and new tests. And this is worth the trip wherever you're coming from. And it's beautiful out here in San Diego, and they make you feel like you're part of their family. So I highly recommend it, especially if you've had RK many years ago. This is truly a fix.